Hey everybody, doing a break of the new Mega Pack that came up on PlayStation. See what they're like. I'll buy a pack. Yeah. Have enough just for the one. So we'll see what we get. I want to see how these packs are. I think it's the first deal to pop up on the store here. You get 24 cards, and I don't remember how many they said was rare. They're all gold, they said. Looks like a coach. Kyle Turris. Alex Stalock. Dmitry Kulikov. Voracek. Oh wow, I got one of the special cards from the Team of the Week, Justin Schultz. Right on. Danius Zubrus. Gazduk. Cody McCormick. Ruidell from Buffalo. Contract. 7 quick. Leg injury. Contract. Hand. Jersey. Change team Anaheim. Change team Tampa Bay. That's the Ottawa jersey, I believe. 9 position SHL jersey. The Philly logo. Coach. Rebound control. Shot. Left wing to right wing. 9 quick. Vancouver jersey. Logo for I'm not sure what team. And a coach. So some pretty good stuff there. Got a couple change teams and some good players, including that Team of the Week Schultz. Voracek's a nice one to get as well as Kyle Turris and Kulikov, Zubrus. Some pretty nice stuff there. Thanks for watching, everybody.